Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kachinga. In this video we are going to solve for k, or to solve this equation. So we have k to the power 2 equals 16. So the first step, I'm going to write a solution. So that is the first step that I'm going to do. Okay, so I said here, then I say I have k power of 2 equals to 16. So to solve this, there are two ways that we can use. So the first one, I will use the difference of two square method. Okay, so that is the first one. Then the second method, we are going to use square rooting method. So I've noticed that this is a quadratic equation. So I want 16 to go to the other side. So I'm going to have k power of 2. You see that? So then 16 is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 16, then equals to what? To 0. Okay, now at this point, what I want to do is that at this point I want to make 16 also to have a power of 2. Since k, it has a power of 2. So I'm going to say I have k power of 2. You see that? Then minus this 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2, then equals to a 0. Now some of you may be asking to say, why 4 to the power of 2? We know that 4 to the power of 2 is the same as 4 times 4, which is going to give us a what? A 16. So this 4 power 2 there is just simply representing what? 16. Alright, so let's continue solving. So from here, I'll use the difference of two squares. I'll say open the bracket. I have a k there, so k will be maintained, minus a 4 will be maintained. Then open the bracket, then k plus a 4, then equals to 0. What I have done there, ladies and gentlemen, it is called the difference of two squares. So now let's solve to the end. So to solve to the end, I have k minus 4. So this is k minus 4. I'll equate it to a 0. So this k minus 4, I've equated to a 0. Or I have this k again. This k, then plus a 4 equals to what? To a 0. Are we done solving? We are not done solving. So we want the value of k. So to completely solve, I'm going to say that I have k equals, this is negative 4. I want it to go to the side to be 0 plus a 4. Take note, when a negative crosses the equal sign, becomes a positive. Then k equals 0 plus 4 is 4. So the value of k is equals to a 4. Let's solve this side now. Now from here, we can see that we have k plus 4 equals 0. So k will be maintained, then 4 to go to that side. I have 0 minus a 4. So my k will be negative 4. I know that k minus 4 is equals to negative 4. This is first method. Let's look at the second one. So basically we can solve like this. So I'm going to show you the second method. So this is the second method. So what you can do, you just have to write k power 2, then equals 16. Then square root this side, you say positive or minus, you square root also that side. This root and 2 will be cancelled, then k is equals positive or minus. The square root of 16 is 4. So it means you are done solving, meaning k can be positive or can be negative, and that is done. So thank you for watching.